Your rug is beautiful, but the corner curls up. That ends today. The secret is to make a larger corner edging and a smaller side edging. Do you want to see the secret? Then watch this video until the end, and I'll show you the trick to keep your piece from getting wavy by making the corner fold the right way. Now I'm going to show a video clip where I demonstrate and teach this step by step in a class. Watch this quick clip with me. Now we're going to start making our finishing edge. To begin our finishing edge here, I'm going to make the initial loop. I'm using this salmon colored yarn here to make this row. And then I'm going to start here in this little corner space. This little space here in the corner of our piece. Here in the corner, we're going to start here with 3 chains to serve as the first double crochet, and then 3 more double crochets right here in this same space. This way, we'll make a block with 4 double crochets. So now I'll make 2 chain stitches for spacing and then 4 more double crochets right here in the same place. This way, we'll create this fan with 4 double crochets, 2 chains, and 4 double crochets. Now we're going to make a chain stitch. Let's skip. Here the base space. In the next one, we're going to make 4 double crochets right here inside the space of this base block. I've made the 4 double crochets here, so now I'm going to make a chain, skip a space. In the next one, I make 4 double crochets again. And then, just like this, we're going to keep working all the way around until the end of our round. On the sides, we'll always work with these blocks of 4 double crochets, always doing it this way, a block of 4 double crochets inside the space. Make a chain, skip a space. In the next one, we work the next block of 4 double crochets. And then make a chain, skip the next space here. In the next one, we work the block again with 4 double crochets, 4 double crochets. After making this block, chain, skip this small space and move to the next one. Make another block of 4 double crochets. That's how we work along the side. When you get here to the corner, in this little square at the corner of the piece, we're going to make this shell here with 4 double crochets, 2 chains, and 4 double crochets. After finishing the shell, make 1 chain, skip the next space. In the next one, we work the block of 4 double crochets again, starting over here. Working like this. Making this next side here. On the sides, we will always work with these little blocks here. 4 double crochets, and between each block, 1 chain. Always leaving a space here between one and the other as well. So, I'm going to keep working here. I'll go all the way around until the end of our round. When I get here, I'll come back so we can continue. I finished working here, I went all the way around, and now I'm at the end. After working this last side, we're going to do the following. After this last little block here of 4 double crochets, make 1 chain. Then slip stitch here on top of this 3rd chain. Of these 3 here that serve as our first double crochet of the row. Our row will look just like this. So, as I showed you at the beginning of the row, here on the sides with blocks of 4 double crochets always separated by 1 chain. Also, always leave 1 base block between each block. And in the corners, the block, or rather, the shell of 4 double crochets, 2 chains, and 4 double crochets. We will have this shell here in each of the corners of our piece in this row. And then I finished here. I'm going to cut my yarn here. You can weave in this yarn end now, or you can leave it to weave in later as well. And then here. Now I'm going to take the pink yarn again. I'm going to make the starting loop here. I'm going to go through this space here in the fan of this row we just worked on here. And here we're going to make a fan on top of a fan. The fan will stay the same. We'll make 3 chains as the first double crochet. 3 more double crochets here inside the fan in the space. I make 2 chains and 4 double crochets right here in the same place. This way, we're going to form this fan right here inside the fan space from the previous round. I made this fan here, so now I'm going to start working on the side part. It's going to be exactly the same as what we did in the previous row. We're going to make a chain for spacing. I come here into this next little space here of a single chain. In this next space, we're going to make a block of 4 double crochets. I make 1 chain, and in the next space, a block of 4 double crochets. That's how we do the whole side. Always with a block of 4 double crochets, 1 chain, and another block of 4 double crochets. So step by step, it's going to be just like the previous rows, step by step. This way, we'll keep working the whole row, going all the way around. Always here in the corners, we'll place the fan of 4 double crochets, 2 chains, and 4 double crochets in the little space of the fan from the previous row. And we'll always do the sides like this. 1 chain, a block of 4 double crochets in the 1 chain space from the previous row. 1 chain, a block of 4 double crochets, and keep going like this until you reach the next corner. Here inside the shell from the previous round, we make the shell again, and after making the shell here, make 1 chain, then a block of 4 double crochets in the next space. And keep doing the entire next side just like this. I'm gonna do this quickly and I'll be right back so we can continue. I finished working this whole row and now I'm at the end. We'll have the last block of 4 double crochets, 1 chain and a slip stitch here. In this third chain, which serves as our first double crochet of the row, here we can already cut and finish off our yarn. Remember, if you want to make the whole piece in a single color, you can do that too, okay? And then you don't need to finish off the yarn, just keep going with the same color. Then you can slip stitch here until you reach the space of the fan to start the next row, to continue here with my work. In my case here, I'm cutting the yarn because I'm using more than one color. I'm making the piece here with more than one color. And now with the salmon yarn, we're going to make the initial loop here. Let's go through this fan space from the previous row. And here we're going to start our row with 3 chains to serve as the first double crochet. Let's make 2 more double crochets in the same place here in the corner. So I make 2 chains. I'm going to come back here to this last double crochet I just worked. I'm going to go in here, grabbing this stitch by its front loop. So I go in here in this space between one double crochet and another, grabbing the stitch here by its front loop. Here I'm going to make 3 double crochets, so I place a double crochet, then go back to the same spot. I add another double crochet. I go back to the same spot and add another double crochet. So I ended up with these 3 double crochets on top of the last double crochet we made, right here on our base. I finished these 3 double crochets and will return to the base. Again, right here in this little space in the previous round's fan. And I'm going to put 3 more double crochets here. I finished this first edge here, which will be the edge we're going to make on the corners of the piece. All around this row, we're going to make the edge in the corners just like this. On the rest of the piece, here on the sides, we're going to make the edge in a different way. That's the one I'm going to show you now. So I finished this corner edge here. Now, in the next space, I'm going to start by making 2 double crochets. 2, 3, then I make 2 chains. I come here to this last double crochet that I just worked on, and I'm going to make it right on top of it, grabbing the stitch the same way right here through the front of the stitch. I'm going to make 2 double crochets here. Now I come back here to the base space, in the space here from the previous row, and I'm going to make 2 double crochets in here. This is going to be the edging that we're going to make all along the side. On all the sides here, we're going to work like this. And then I made this little edging. I'm going to the next base space, and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to do it again. 2 double crochets. 2 chains, 2 double crochets in here. From this space here of the double crochet. Go in here, double crochet twice, insert the needle here, in the middle. Insert between 2 double crochets as if grabbing the stitch's center. After making these 2 double crochets here, on top of this last double crochet, we're going to make 2 double crochets here at the base. And then, just like this, we're going to keep going, making our way all the way around until the end of our row. Always making this little point here on the sides. In each of these spaces with 1 chain from the previous row, we're going to make this little point here. And on the corners, we make this little point here with 3 double crochets, 2 chains, and 3 double crochets here in the last double crochet, which we work here by picking up the stitch from the side through the front of the stitch. And then, after making these 3 double crochets here inside, picking up the front of the last double crochet, we're going to make 3 more double crochets here in the base space, in the little space from the previous row, from the little fan of the previous row. This larger fan will be just for the corners, and this smaller fan with 2 double crochets, 2 chains, 2 double crochets here in the front of the stitch, and 2 double crochets in the base again, will be for the entire side part. On all the sides, we're going to work just like this. So, I'll keep working here, and I'll continue around the whole piece until the end of our row. I've finished working all the way around, and when we get to the end of the row, we're going to make the last little point here. Slip stitch here in this 3rd chain of these 3 that make up our first double crochet of the row, and then finishing up here, we can already cut and fasten off our yarn. Did you notice how making the stitch the right way in the corner creates the 3D volume that makes the edge stand up and ensures the corner opens just right? This is essential for flat pieces, and I've already shown how to make the center of this rug and also how to start this rug the right way, the one I showed here. These special tips are in a full video that I've already posted here on the channel. I'll leave the link for it here in the description for you, and I'll also leave it in the pinned comment to make it easier. You just have to click and you can already watch this full video step by step. With these 3 tip videos that I posted here on the channel, you'll be able to make this rug perfectly. If you prefer, you can also watch the full step-by-step video of this piece, which is already available here on the channel. I'll leave the link in the description and in the highlighted pinned comment. And the complete store is already posted here, and it's also available for free on our website, jnycroche.com.br. Take the opportunity to save this video so you don't miss this valuable tip. Share it with anyone you know who could use this tip. And let me know in the comments if you've ever made a mistake when following patterns in your work and your piece turned out differently. Thank you so much for your kindness, big hugs, and I'll see you in the next video. But before that, let me invite you to check out something that could really help you. Then let me know what you think. If you want to become my exclusive student, I invite you to join the Crochet Club. It's an exclusive space with over 300 step-by-step video lessons organized into more than 25 amazing courses. To help you become a professional crocheter, a top-tier crocheter, click the link in the description, visit our website to learn more and choose your plan. Become my exclusive student and become a professional crocheter, a diamond crocheter. And for you who made it this far in this video, I have a very special gift for you. I want to invite you to watch this other video where I teach you how to make this beautiful crochet piece. This piece was created by me, Professor Ju from JNY Crochet, with a lot of care and dedication as well. In this video lesson, I give you the complete step-by-step instructions, where I teach you all the details so you can make your piece from start to finish without having any doubts during the process. It's a very beautiful piece, and both those of you who follow me here on the channel and those who follow me on my social media really liked it. That's why I'm also recommending this class to you. You can find the full video of this piece on my channel and also on my website jnycroche.com.br. I'll leave the link for you here in the video description. Remember that crocheting brings many benefits to your life. Crocheting helps to increase concentration and focus, improves motor coordination, and is a powerful ally in the fight against anxiety, stress, low self-esteem, and even depression. Not to mention that you can also earn extra income with crocheting or even make it a real profession. So take advantage of this, go to the video description, click the link to watch the full video of this wonderful crochet piece. I'm recommending it just for you who made it this far. Take the opportunity and also write in the comments the phrase that's showing up on the screen. So I know that you made it to the end of this video and are part of a very special and select group of people. No one else will understand, only those who made it this far. It'll be our little secret. Thank you so much for watching this video until the end. You are a very special person, part of a minority of people who watch videos until the end, who finish what they start. So that's why I'm leaving this special gift for you here as well. I'll see you in the next video. Big hugs. See you then.